sama con bago.
You found the other giraffe? Oh, now what are you? Oh, now you're finding both of them, the giraffe and the elephant. That's the elephant. You got to find the elephant. Found the elephant. Yay! Found the giraffe. Good job. I don't know. Where's the other giraffe? You got to look. He's hiding. No more giraffes. One more elephant, though. You found the last elephant? Oh, he's in there. I see him. He's hiding good, isn't he? You want me to show you? Are you sure? I think you can find him on your own if you look.
Go.
What about down here? Oh, not there. Okay, let's open it back up. Yeah, right there. I was saying right there. In the house. You see him right there in the house?
A monkey.
A monkey? Oh, we're looking for monkeys now. Cool.
There.
Okay.
Go. Ankle.
I don't know. You have 2 more monkeys to find.
Monkey?
Uh-huh.
Look. No, here.
They're found the other monkey. You got 1 more to find. You found the last monkey. Good job. Oh, now you're finding a bird and a snake. Yeah, a snake.
Good boy.
What'd you find? Bird? Good job.
Mama. No. Monkey. Snake. Now, bird. Monkey. Turn monkey. Turn monkey and find the monkey.
You want me to help you find it? Okay. What about up in the trees? Did you look up there?
Me.
Up in the big tree over here.
Oh, behind tree.
Right there. Nope, I was wrong. Snake.
Now the monkey come.
Okay, a monkey and a bird you're looking for. Did you? Oh, you found the bird. Hiding in the sticks. Okay, so now you just have the monkey.
Monkey go. A monkey.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get that.
Let's see.
Where monkey?
Maybe right there? I don't know. Right here?
Monkey, mine. Monkey.
I'm sorry.
Monkey. I found that
You
monkey.
found the last monkey. Good job.
No? Pepper. I found Pepper. I'm going to